Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gen Z Lab. This week, we want to hear from you. Had the opportunity to have a panel discussion with Brooke Hemphill and Sean McDowell, fielding questions from youth leaders and pastors and educators that were on their hearts and minds about Gen Z. So I hope you enjoy this video.
The principle I would say is we have to keep in mind that we have to tailor the message to the unique way this generation processes truth. They think about happiness without changing the truth of the message. Because I see people doing both. I see people compromising the truth, which plays into this individualistic, fluid generation. And then there's other people that aren't even adapting the message to the unique way that they think. So I don't think this is answering your question, but I think in the back of our minds should be, how do we take the universal, unchanging gospel truth that kids still need and tailor it in a way that it makes sense and it's understandable to the unique factors by which this generation thinks about responsibility, thinks about happiness? That's the key question.